Do not press the button. What does that even mean, guys? Okay. Turbotastic, guys. It is Turbo, and today I'm going to be playing this game. It says to not press the button. Should I press the button? Comment it down below. Let's see what's going to happen. Dude, should I actually do it on this account? What happens if it's actually right? I shouldn't do it. What happens if I actually shouldn't do it? Why did I get zoomed in so fast? Quick, get on. Uh-oh, the button disappeared. Press the button if you found it. What even is this game? I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to press the button this time. Yay! What is wrong with you? Okay. Oh, that's Baldi. Well, you are bald. You got a good name because you are bald. Oh, jeez. He's trying to kill me. Great. I fell off the map. That's just great. Why does my face look like that? I did not sign up for my face to look like that. I have the know-it-all grin. Hey, guys, I know it may not be the best time, but watch this. Isn't that cool? Hello, why are you floating in the air? And why are you invisible like a ghost? Like, invincible, I meant. Alright, so the next thing we're supposed to do is, to go in this guy. How am I sliding like this? Is this safe? I'm just going to find out. I'm going to go into this bald-headed noob, and then we'll see what's going to happen. Really? Is this game going to play dirty on me? If it is, then that is just very rude. Hey guys, don't kick the ball off the thing. How else are we going to play? Who's doing this to me? This is so unfair. That's so unfair. Milky, oop, I'm going to press the button this time. Ooh-hoo. Get ready to flip your tables. 2, 1, 0. Can people stop pushing me off this edge? My face looks weird. Wait, what? Why do I get trapped in an invisible box when I'm done? This is so weird. Alright. Oh, hello, mister. Oh, okay, there. I see now. Why did this guy die? Okay, maybe it's because he's sick of sick of this box. Yeah. Oh, and then it just disappears. Great. I want to get some Robux coins. If she stole that away from me, then that is not the best thing to do. All right. Who drew that? Okay, I'm gonna press the button this time. Quick, get on the platform. Got it. Give me the coin. All right. Quick, get on the platform. Guys, you should have went on the platform. How did he survive? Oh, he just died after the thing did. Well, how did he die? Oh my gosh. 1, 0. I think I see this game. All right. We will have to kill each other. Haha. Who's the... Alright, this is so awesome. Ha! Look who's the good... Yes, I did it! Yes! I won! This is actually so cool. This was actually pretty cool. I'm pressing the button this time. There we go. I pressed the button. What's this? Oh. Obby. Is this a troll obby? I don't think so. I kind of like this game. Don't press the button. Okay, that was close. Okay. I am really good at doing obbies, so this is pretty much a piece of cake. Are you serious? Do you know what they should have? Checkpoints. They should totally have checkpoints. Press the button. Okay. Herobrine. That's Hero Bryn, not Hero Brian, you know. Just letting you know. I'm just saying. Now it disappears. Great. Mickey, oop. Alright. Okay. Come on. Oh. Boulders are coming. That's just great. That's great. Where are they now? What the heck? What's wrong with the face, lady? Marshmallow, 21. What's this? Why is it on fire? Oh, the button is on fire. Quick, get a fire extinguisher before the button explodes. 2, 1, 0. Really? Why was it, by the way, floating on his head? That's weird. Hey, Doges! Get on the Doges. Woo-hoo! All right, let's jump. Jump, 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 jump. Actually, this isn't a bad game. Actually, this isn't a bad game. Oh, I see this game. 2, 1, 0. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can kill some people while I'm doing this. Oh my gosh. Jeez, that was close. No, no. That was so close. Oh my gosh. These people are trying to kill me. I'm a YouTuber. Why would they want to do that? We want to try something. If you jump, then it doesn't delete any blocks, honestly. It's only if you walk. Oh my gosh. No. No. Dude. Come on. You didn't have to kill me. Don't be like that. What's the next button? Where did he go? Press it. Well, press it, press it, press it. Hey, it's a doji. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, so many doges. Oh, wait. Why are you guys falling off? That is not the best idea. Don't you push me. That was so close to pushing me. Oh, gosh. Feel that was so close. Why did I lose an arm? And how did it explode? This is a weird game, but also a very fun one. Really, dude? You did not do that right. Hey guys, want to see a trick? If you do this, then it won't fall. Though it actually pushes more weight, which is weird. No, that was so close. Oh my gosh. I think I just killed her. No way. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a little bit hard. Yes, 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 yes. Ah, no way. All right, this is actually very fun. All right, this time I was probably like the only survivor. Ah, push the button. Yep, I did. He's saying, what does that mean? What does it mean, though? He says it means... I'm not exactly sure what it means, though, but okay. Oh, geez. Don't explode me. Besides, how does a button activate all of this anyway? Well, I guess anything's possible. All right, get on, get on, get on. We are not going to fail this time. Hero Bryn. Yeah, like that name. That was so close, but we're good. We're good. Stay focused and calm. What is this person saying? I'm safe. It's the same guy who said, yes, I did it. I finished the obby and I am proud. I guess I was the only person to actually finish this obby. Push the button. Yes, thanks. Watch out, boulders are coming. Oh my gosh, oh no. No, 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 no. Isn't that I did it! I just survived it like that. Guys, you know you're not going to survive by doing that. Huh, Brew, what happens if you go in it? Oh, no way! This is actually pretty cool, honestly. Tsunami incoming. Great. I like how I look. Guys, by the way, if you see my avatar, then you know who it is. Ooh, sorry guys, didn't make it in time. Alright, it's us guys. Press the button. Alright, let's see what's going to happen now. Oh, I see this game. 2, 1. We will have to kill each other. Darn it! How? Okay, at least I won the last round. Poop. Don't do that. Don't say rude words, please. I like how we all are like bunched in together. Alright, let's see what the next one is. I'm actually really fun with this game, but I feel like I may have to end it soon. What just happened? What just happened? Oh, Doges! This is cool. But who, but how, are they, but how do they make these Doge balls? I would like one. Hello. Score a goal with the soccer ball. Whoa. I did do. Are we supposed to do it with the Doge ball? Kicking a ball, kicking a dog's head into a goal as a ball. Let's do it. No. Hey, dude, stop it. Hey, no, you're gonna push it off. Oh no. Great, man. No one scored. Great. Oh, no. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another TurboTastic video. But, guys, I'm TurboTastic signing off, so you never miss another TurboTastic video. So, bye-bye, thumbs up, love you, and subscribe. Bye! TurboTastic!